Welcome to our tutorial on how to create a poll on a Facebook post using your PC. Follow these simple steps to engage with your friends and followers in a fun and interactive way. First, log into your Facebook account and navigate to your news feed. Next, click on Groups in the left-hand column. You can select an existing group or create a new one by clicking on +Create Group. Once you've selected the group, click where the gray text says Write Something, and then choose Poll from the tabs that drop down. Write your content in the space provided under Ask Something, and enter in the various choices such as questions or product options. If you want to allow people to add new choices or vote on multiple options, click on Poll Options. Finally, when you're ready, click on Post to launch your poll and start gathering responses from your audience. Creating a poll on a Facebook post is a great way to interact with your community and get valuable feedback. So why not give it a try today? Thank you for watching.